It's 6 a.m. There's a blizzard outside, and we just got home. You heat mongers, just keep it all the heat for yourselves. Alright. You guys ready for a little Times Square misadventure? Times Square snow action?
Yes, yes!
Snow day, snow day, snow day, snow day.
Cold.
We're at first step. Wasn't 8 blocks away if we're riding off.
No, we're going to transfer.
14th?
Yeah, 14th, and then we're going to Times Square. And we've already got one disappointment. My Canadian hat is Chinese. It's ultimately actually Canadian. Party, 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 after yeah, that was the one. That's a winner. It's pretty nice to have all of Central Park to yourself.
I like being not on the path.
I think that seems like a lovely idea. I approve of that. Oh, shoot, I had this nice shot of you walking towards me, but I didn't press.
Because it's very, very, very rare to be in the middle of New York with silence and no people and some modicum of darkness. I want to experience that. Oh, they're nice.
Hello, ducky. Ducky. They're like, I hate tourists.
Happy duckies.
No, that was a pathetic skip. That's what I say. Yeah, energy. Oh, you lost it. Oh, you're getting all weak. Oh, there we go.
Are you going to Brooklyn?
To Brooklyn?
Yeah.
To Bushwick, yeah.
I'm gonna be grumpy pants and
Oh, I'm grumpy pants all the time.
Oh yeah?
They love me anyway.
We do love you anyway, Rachel Richie.
We just decided to come out here from Bushwick, where we live.
We wanted to see the snow all before dawn in Central Park.
This is just the appetizer.
Yeah.
The good thing is coming later. You can connect your phone out to the car if you want.
Where's the thing?
It's right here. I should give it to you right now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
perfect.